Hi, in this video, so I'm going to show you how you can reset your digital picture frame. This is a Frameo model number 112K. So you might be doing this if it's become a little bit unresponsive, it's seized up. If you were to get yourself a little needle or a tiny little paper clip like this, there's actually a reset little hole in the back that you can put this in and tap, and then you will see it will boot itself up again. It might be enough to solve any problems that you've got. Your photos and stuff will still be on here. So if you come around this side here, you can see that we have our power cable, and then we have an SD card slot, we have a micro USB slot, and then we have a little hole. This hole here is the reset hole. So if you were to get the paper clip, you'll feel in here there's a little button just about not far, just about 2 mil in there. So I'm just resting that in there now, and that's how far it's going in. If I click that in, it will reset the front. So if you watch this now, you can see that we have the front working here. But if I just do this here, just click in, you heard it click, take it out, and you can now see that that's turned itself off, and it will reset itself. So only do this if you're having problems. Obviously, if everything's working fine, you won't be doing this. But you can see now it's turned itself off and it's turning itself back on. But you'll see the photos will still be there. And there you go. You can see the photos are still there now. So if you're wondering what that hole at the back does, now you know. Thanks for watching.